Hello everyone and welcome to TechAvro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can make a group chat on Instagram messages thingy. I'm not sure what you call it, direct messages. Anyways, so what you want to do is go over to your messages and then click on this button, which is like a new message inbox kind of thing. From here, you wanna type the name of the people. So we're gonna choose Wendy Rock Johnson. We're gonna choose and I'm not really sure. So for now, let's just make a group of three people, right? Next thing you want to do is press on next. Once you press on next, that's gonna be it. It's gonna pop up in a few seconds. I'm not sure why it's not popping up. Maybe they have their chat turned off. Something went wrong, please try again. Well, that's how you honestly make a group chat. All you want to do is click on next. Now I believe they have their DMs turned off, so I'm not able to show you guys that properly right now. But all you want to do is add the people that you want and then click on next, and that's going to be it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.